Hi, hello. Welcome everyone to the another exciting video with a great exciting product launched in the market. And in this video, we are not going to see what every reviewer is doing in online, like not giving honest reviews and just reading out the marketing page. But in our video, we are going to discuss important points to consider before purchasing these adult coloring books and also the graphics pack too. So without any delay, let's get started. So first question in our mind is why adult coloring book? So the answer for this is adult coloring book. It relaxes our brain and also improves our brain function. You don't believe me? Wait, I will show now. So these are the benefits of coloring books, and also it will induces meditative state as well as our sleep, improves focus, reduces anxiety and stress. So there are more beneficial things about coloring books. Yeah, it's interesting, no? But how to choose best adulting coloring book which have n number of options in online? Simple. This is the answer for why this LCB Graphic Pack. So let me explain. The book which have only great designs, and the important point is we can use all those graphics pack in the KDP program. So what is mean by KDP publishing? Wait, I will show now. KDP is nothing but Kindle Direct Publishing, so which is originally called Digital Text Platform for authors and publishers to independently publish their books, so directly to the Kindle store. So in this product we have double benefits, which we can also consume those graphics and also we can sell for our profit. So it is the great thing, no? And also it should have a theme to rely on. Some adult coloring books doesn't have any theme, so most of them are boring, but this is not like that. It have a story to stick on it, so every design have some stories, so it will be more interesting to make those coloring things interesting. And also it have the good graphics, not other cheapest graphics in the market, so it has a good and better graphics other than the markets. This will helps to overcome your phone addictions. Yeah, mainly these are the biggest problem in our modern era. So whenever we are using those coloring books, it will help for our brain functions and also takes some time from our phone addiction. So it is the great thing, and we can also reduce our screen on time and spend more time on those coloring books. It will beneficial for our phone addiction. And the main selling point of this LCB graphic pack is we can also have commercial rights. We can add more details and patterns too. So down there they have mentioned, wait, I will show you. So yeah, they have mentioned all those things in the down. If you have any doubt, go and read all those things. And about the price and about the quantity are also much to consider this pack. So for just $56 we are getting this amount of graphics and this amount of coloring things. So let me show what are those things inside each one, but I will show any one of those because that's time consuming. You can go to the site and take a look for every other pack and graphics before purchasing. So let me show any one. So these are the sample coloring graphics inside elephant graphics. So these are the things you will get inside one elephant's coloring by number. So there are 30 in one pack, but if you purchase single it will cost you $37, but if you purchase in bulk of all those things you will be charged just $56. So it is the greatest and biggest offer going on in this festival period. And Finally, I hope I have cleared all those doubts and queries regarding this. And also, another question is about refund policy. Yes, there is no refund policy available because of the coloring graphics, which cannot be go useless. And also, they provide the support, which is great because they have mentioned the two mail we can contact them if you have any doubt or payment issues or graphics doubts or whatever. You can contact them. And yes, we came to the final part now, but before signing off, one interesting part is I'm going to reveal is premium bonus. Yes, premium bonus is for those who purchase these products from me from the link mentioned below, or the one eligible to get those premium bonus from House of Z Panda. Yes, also that is not a useless. Promoters give 10 or 20 of free bonuses, which is completely useless. But here we as the House of Z Panda designs a premium bonus in order to help all those who are either entrepreneur or marketers or doing 9 to 5 job or even a student, whatever you may be. So that the 5 premium bonus. To know more about that, I have mentioned the link in the comment and description below. So you are currently looking into the bonuses. So these are officially from House of Z Panda. So these are the 5 premium bonus you will get along with the purchase of this LCB graphic pack. And how to avail that 5 premium bonus? Simple, just purchase the product from the link mentioned in the description as well as the comment section and upload the receipt of your purchase in the link mentioned below. That's all. You will receive those premium bonus within a day. And I hope I cleared all those doubts and queries. And that's all for today. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.